In this video, I will pronounce the names of the 28 Arabic letters while showing you how to write them. This is useful if you are learning Standard Arabic or any dialect, including Levantine Arabic. In addition to noticing the starting point of writing each letter and all the strokes until finishing writing it, you want to also pay attention to which part of the letter is on the line and which part goes below the line. This will be important to know when you are writing real words, as mostly you will be dropping the part that goes below the line when you connect the letters. Let's start with the letter Alif. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون هاء واو ياء. You can download the document in the description to write with me. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.